Hello everyone. Today this video I am giving in short. My video is always short and with having basic information. So let's start with the asexual reproduction. The definition of asexual reproduction we can get obtain of new spring, production of new offspring by only one parents. Okay, that is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, the demerit is that there is no chance of any variation. Okay, same type of species we can get by generation of generation. Okay, this also cause one demerit, we can get affection, many disease we can get in the plant as well as the animal when they are producing same type of offspring. Okay, here this video I am explaining about the types of asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction completed into study of binary fission, study of multiple fission, study of budding, study of spore formation as well as study of fragmentation. So these are the important types of asexual reproduction by which an organism give their birth of new young ones. So let's start about the binary fission. Binary means bi means two. Okay, in biological term bi means two and fission means breakdown. So these organisms, bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, algae, they divide their body into two. Suppose this is the bacteria, here nucleus is there, they will divide their body into two. Okay, and division of body you have to know about karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So karyokinesis and cyto means cell, division of cell is called as cytokinesis, division of nucleus is called as karyokinesis. But we know bacteria do not have nucleus here, but we have to know the example. These are the example which produced by binary fission, division of body into two half, and these two half again mature into new young ones. That is the example of binary fission. Then second, multiple fission. Multiple fission, paramecium. Okay, plasmodium. Okay, here I am cutting a student, plasmodium. So plasmodium is a pathogen which cause malaria disease. So plasmodium, what it does actually, plasmodium enter into human body and it get mature and produce number of spore. So this number of spore finally cause symptoms of malaria. So multiple number of spore are formed, that is called as multiple fission. It mostly occurs in plasmodium. Okay, it is a type of protozoan species. Then third one, budding. What is budding? Bud means, suppose this is the diagram of a hydra and it start with formation of a bud. This bud will break down and fall on the earth and soil and again growth of the new organism, that is called as budding. Yeast, if you are taking the flour and in flour by mixing of water, what will happen? The number of spore will form and it will generate here. This is the spore formation in the yeast. Okay, actually here then spore formation in mosses, mushroom modes. Fungi mostly does spore formation. Suppose here I have made the structure of a penicillium. This is type of fungi. So inside the sac like a structure, the number of spores are present. So this spore, this thallus will be break down and spore will release out and growth into the new penicillium body. Similarly mosses also, mushroom, they does spore formation. That last one is the fragmentation. What is fragmentation? Fragment means breakdown. Hydra and planaria are the species. This is the body of, suppose hydra, it will break down into two and these two organism again developed into new organism. Any part of hydra or planaria break down into two and growth into the new species. This is the unique character of the hydra and planaria by the process of fragmentation. One more topic is there, student, that is vegetative propagation. So vegetative propagation, let us understand in very short. Vegetative propagation complete into natural vegetation and artificial vegetation. So in natural vegetation you can see the vegetation of by root, one root developed into the new root. Suppose this is the plant, okay, and one root again here it will generate, again it will generate the new plant. Similarly by leaf, bryophyllum is a plant leaf that produce bryophyllum. phylum, you can prefer the book. Bryophyllum, from its leaf only you can see the bud. From here you can see the bud. So that is the natural vegetation. Then artificial vegetation process we can understood by the cutting, grafting, layering. And one more student, plant tissue culture. This is one new technique that you have to know, and you must know about the plant tissue culture technique, through which we can get the new offspring plant by asexual method. And last only I am telling one word, clone. Especially all the offspring produced by asexual reproduction are called as clone. Clone are the similar species obtained from their parent. So this is the short notes and short video on your asexual reproduction. Thank you student, please see this video and like it.